with no plugins on Azure. And I think that's Satya right there. Hang on. No, it's Googs. It's Googs. I'll get him later. Hang on. Now, the back end is entirely on Azure using Service Fabric. If you look in that top left corner there, you can see that we're pushing 35,000 transactions a second right now. And as you saw in the video, Ben Adams, their CTO, is one of the primary committers to Kestrel, which is the ASP.NET open source web server, and he helped push it to over 1 million requests a second. Now, this game here is running in Service Fabric Explorer. I'm going to switch over to Service Fabric. Age of Ascent uses hundreds of machines, and it scales in and out dynamically based on the load. And you can see here on the left that the game is made up of dozens of microservices, and each one is concerned with their own responsibilities. We've got training drones and machines and clans and alliances, and each one of these microservices will go and report their health up to the larger application. You can note here that all systems are go. Everything is green. Therefore, the overall app is healthy. Keep that in mind. That's going to be important later. And I'm going to split this, and we will bring Solution Explorer up here. And when I said that this was real code, that we want to look at how this thing is built. And you can write your microservices in most any language, as we saw, even Java on Linux, if it makes you happy. In Age of Ascent's case, they've chosen to write them with the high-performance open-source ASP.NET Core. See here on the right, we've got the microservices, and there's a one-to-one relationship between the services in Visual Studio and those in Service Fabric Explorer. And what's exciting about this is that you're already ASP.NET developers. You're already .NET developers. You already know how to do this stuff. Okay, so what's new? Well, when you start scaling your apps in the cloud, you can hit onto some hard problems. And Service Fabric solves the problems that happen at cloud scale. So let's talk about one of them, which is managing state. Okay?